Hello, myself Reena Upadhyay. I have done my post graduation and B.Ed. I have a total 3 years of teaching experience as a TGT science teacher. Now I am here to explain the topic gravitation. First of all, I will take universal law of gravitation. As the as we know, it was given by the renowned scientist Newton. Every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force which is proportional to the product of their masses, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Here I have represented a diagram in which I have shown there is an object A and another object B. Object A has a capital M mass and object B has a small m mass. The gravitational force between the two uniform objects is directed along the line joining their centers, which is represented by D. The force acting between these two masses is represented by F. F is directly proportional to product of their masses, and it is inversely proportional to the distance square of the distance between them. When we remove the proportionate sign, we get a universal law of gravitation, which is represented by G. So G is equals to force into product distance per square, and it is inversely proportional to product of their masses. G is represented by universal law of gravitation. So move to the next topic. Here comes the next slide. In this slide, we will study the importance of universal law of gravitation. As the force that binds us to the earth is acted by gravitation only. Next is the motion of moon around the earth. The motion of moon around the earth is represented by gravitation only. The motion of planets around the sun is also the importance due to gravitation. The tides due to the moon and sun is also act due to gravitation. You all have studied from lower classes what is gravity. Now I will remind you again. Gravity, it is a natural phenomena by which all masses and energy are attracted to one another and earth. So suppose I drop a pen, it's fall toward downwards. Why? Just because of gravity. We are standing on the surface of earth, and this pen is, when fall down, it moves towards earth due to gravity. Let me explain you the story of gravitation, which was given by the scientist Kepler. Kepler has given a law: the line joining the planets and the sun sweeps equal areas in equal interval of time. What he says that the line, suppose this is a planet, and this is sun. Okay, the line which sweeps equal areas in equal interval of time. So r cube is directly proportional to t square. Okay, hope you understand. Move to the next sub topic. The free fall of an object and acceleration g. Free fall. What do you mean by the word free fall? Free fall is when we drop any object towards earth, it is represented as free fall of an object. And g is what? It is gravity or acceleration. When an object is thrown upwards, it reaches certain height. then it starts falling down towards earth. As I have shown you, I have taken this pen to certain height and I have dropped down. It is termed as free fall towards earth. It is because the earth's gravitational force exerts on it. This free fall exerts due to the gravitational force which is acted with gravitational force. The fall under the fall under the influence of earth is called free fall of an object. Let me explain very well. When any object from certain height is dropped down, it moves towards earth due to gravity and it is termed as free fall of an object. During this free fall, direction do not change. Okay? During this free fall, the direction do not change but velocity continuously changes, which is called acceleration, or it is represented by small g or gravity, which acceleration is acting due to gravity. It is denoted by small g. The SI unit of gravity is represented by meter per second square, and it is represented small g has a SI unit of meter per second square. Gravitational acceleration. Now I am going to explain what is gravitational acceleration. The uniform acceleration produced in a freely falling object due to the gravitational force of earth is called acceleration due to gravity. Let me explain with the help of an example. As the uniform acceleration, do you know the meaning of word uniform? Uniform means constant and acceleration means an object is moving with certain constant velocity. It's termed as uniform acceleration produced in a freely falling object due to the gravitational force of earth is called acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration is occurring just because in case of gravitation due to gravity. Okay. Next slide. There is one more topic I have taken, subtopic I have taken. Let me explain it also. Yes, here it comes. Value of G on the surface of earth. Okay, as I have explained you, G is gravity. F is equals to GMEM. Here ME is represented as mass of earth and small m is mass of the object. Where ME is the mass of the earth, small m is mass of an object and radius of earth. F equals to m into G. You know Newton's first law, it is represented by F equals to m into A. But here we are studying acceleration due to gravity. So here I put instead of A, G. F equals to m into G. Equating equation first and second, m into G equals to G into m divided by r square. When we solve this equation, we get small g equals to universal law of gravitation into mass of earth, which is inversely proportional to the distance between the mass of the earth and the mass of the object, which is represented by capital R and capital R square. If G is equals to 6.673 into 10 की power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square, the mass of earth is 6 into 10 की power 24 kg and R is represented by 6.37 into 10 की power 6 का square, because in the equation there is R square. When we put all these value in the equation, G equals to capital G m upon R square, we get the value G equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So the value of acceleration due to gravity is given by the value 9.8 meter per second square. So hope you will be able to understand the topic gravitation, in which I have covered universal law of gravitation, importance of gravitation, free fall of any object on the surface of earth, acceleration due to gravity, and also the value of the acceleration due to gravity, which is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. Thank you.